Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious New Year's Eve pepper pot. This is usually eaten at Christmas morning, but since we're in the Christmas season, I decided to do another pot. So let's jump right into this video. Here I'm preparing my meat, and you can use any meat of your choice, um, like pork if you do eat pork. I do not. And any parts of the cow, like the cow heel in ribs or whatever you want to use. I'm using the beef, and I do have some short ribs as well. Here I'm going to season my meat, and I'm adding here first my house green seasoning. Now, if you do not have house green seasoning, it is just fine. Just make sure you have some good thyme, which is, I think, necessary for this recipe. This came all the way from Guyana 8 months ago, and as you can see, it is still green and it is absolutely delicious. I mean, this is the star of all my dishes. Thank you, Mom. She makes the best green seasoning. I just added some onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm adding some beef bouillon. Then I'm going to add Cassareep. Now this can actually make or break your pepper pot. Be careful with the ones you purchase on Amazon. If your dish does not taste right, there's something wrong with that Cassareep, right? You need to have good Cassareep. And I had to get mine from New York because the one I purchased on Amazon did not do justice, and it actually ruined my dish. All right, not to worry, everything that I use will be in the description box. Now I'm going to preheat my pot. I add a little bit of oil, some onion, and I'm going to toast up some star spice, cinnamon sticks, and onion. Then I'm going in with my meat. So while I was adding that, I was actually boiling 2 cups of water with approximately 15 pieces of clove. Then I'm going to pour that water into that very bowl that I just removed the meat from and pour that into the pot here. I added a little bit of sugar. And here you can adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. I lower my stove and allow this to cook for about 2.5 hours. That's the clove. You do not want to add it like that. If you do, you want to pick that out before you serve. And this is what it looks like, guys. Absolutely delicious. And it is super, super easy once you have the right ingredients. So if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Happy New Year. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you all.